Next is MCCB, that is a molded case circuit breaker. The main distinction between the miniature and molded type is that based on its current rating and its trip setting, the trip setting is normally adjustable. It tends to have a large current carrying capacity, that is it has and also it has three main functions like protection against overload, earth fault, as well as switching, that is on and off. Wide range of current rating is available. Usually its lower value is 15 amps and it is available up to 2500 amps. It is commonly used for industrial purposes. It is used for both low power as well as high power applications. You can see the characteristics curve, adjustable trip setting characteristics of MCCB. Along the x-axis it is a current and along the y-axis it is a time. You can see the short circuit settings. When we change the setting from left side to right side, how the current changes, that is the nominal current value changes. You can see that it is drooping downwards. It is required to withstand the gas pressure at breaking heat resistance and it is also used in arc resistance. It is from early MCCB it is less expensive. Now it is very compact as it contains glass fiber, polymer resins, etc. You can see here in the diagram or in the slide the main difference between MCB and MCCB. MCB is actually miniature circuit breaker, capacity 6 ampere to 100 amps, that is a rated current, and it has an interrupting capacity up to 18 kilo amps. Tripping mechanism is a magnetic or thermal type and its size is comparatively small, commonly used for indoor purpose. There is no tripping or adjustment and it is usually used for small current circuits like home, office, schools, etc. But MCCB can be used for high current, that is its molded case circuit breaker has a rated current capacity of 100 amps to 2500 amps and its interrupting rating is 10 kA to 200 kA. It can be thermal, magnetic or electronic type and its size is comparatively large, which is used for both indoor as well as outdoor purpose. The tripping circuit can be fixed or adjustable and its power rating is high, so it can be used for commercial as well as industrial purpose. These are the common standards available. Fuse rating is 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 60, 100 and MCCB available is 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 10, 16, 20, 25, 32, 40, 50, 63, 100. The main switch is commonly available is single phase ampere rating 5, 10, 15, 32 and 3 phase 15, 32, 63. This distribution board incoming and outgoing 4-way, 6-way, 8-way, 10-way, 12-way is available. Next is the earth leakage protection. For earth leakage protection we are using ELCB, that is the diagram is shown there. It is commonly used for two purposes. One is a voltage operated. There are two types, voltage operated as well as a current operated one. Voltage operator usually operated ELCB detects the potential, that is if there is high potential it will trip. It is interconnected with the network and distant isolated earth reference electrode. No longer commonly this is not used nowadays. Current operated one is currently used and that is called ELC, that is currently known as ELCB, or similarly it is similar to RCCB and RCD. It detects the earth leakage, that is the current leaking to the earth from its installation and cuts the power. ELCB is its old name. Now it is available in the form as RCCB or RCD, that is a new form, but the function remains the same. Next is RCD and RCCB. RCD is a residual current device and RCCB is a residual current circuit breaker. Residual current device monitors the wiring installation permanently to detect the leakage current. It is connected to phase and neutral. The amount of current flowing through the phase should return through the neutral. If there is any leakage, this will not happen. The current will be missing, so the circuit trips. If it detects a difference greater than 300 milliamps or less, it breaks the circuit. If the current leaks through a person's body, it could lead to a potential fatal electrocution. That is, it will cause burn to the human body. The commonly used one is having the rating 30 milliamps, and 100 milliamp devices is also available. RCDs are extremely effective for shock protection. Residual current circuit breaker with overload. It detects the imbalance in the live and neutral currents. Large overload cannot be detected. It is commonly used where there is no need to combine the protection against overload and protection against earth leakage currents. They are fitted, usually they are connected to the consumer side. Sometimes it is used for other purpose also, but it is quite expensive. They will cut the power only to the affected area without causing any inconvenience to the other part. Now, selection of cable. Copper conductors are used in cables. Now, aluminium is also available. For lighting purpose, 1.5 square meter is used, and for power circuit, 4.0 square mm is used. Usually it is expressed in mm square. For power circuit more than 1 kilowatt, we have to calculate the size. Otherwise, you can take it as standard. Nowadays, copper wire is insulated with PVC as per BIS standard.